Hello everyone, this is Vlad, and today I would like to introduce you a new product, Styro Pro Adhesive. This glue can work with most of our products, with styrofoam tiles, with the polystyrene tiles. As I can show you in this little presentation, it can hold even the leather panels. Now, it works with the standard caulking gun, and let me show you, first let me show you how it works. As you can see with the PVC tiles, I didn't apply the adhesive everywhere. I applied only on the parts that will touch the ceiling. As you can see, I do not need to hold tiles for a second. As soon as I put it up, it stays there. It sits nice and tight. This product is much lighter. These are the polystyrene tiles. Okay, this is the adhesive that I applied. As you can see, it works very nice with the polystyrene too. It sits nice and tight. What I want you to show right now, these are the leather panels. This product is generally way heavier than two others. This particular panel weighs about 2 pounds. Let me show you how it works. I put it up, and as you can see, it stayed there. It sits quite nice. It will take me some effort to bring it down. Now I want to talk about the adhesive itself. As you can see, it's white. It's water-based, means it's fairly easy to clean. All you need is just a damp cloth, and this is pretty much it. Once you have a glue squeezing out from underneath of the tile, you can just simply wipe it off and it will leave no marks on the panel. Of course, it's not recommended to let it dry, but you have about like at least half an hour. Another good feature of the glue, it has no smell. Again, because it's water-based, it has no solvents in it, and it's you can breathe freely. You can work with in the closed room. You don't have to have a well ventilated area as a case of other types of adhesives. Nice, clean, easy to work with, holds right away, give you some time. Even though it rubbed immediately, you can leave the tiles. I mean, you don't need to hold it. From other hand, you have at least half an hour. Let's assume like the roll that you installed, the first row is not perfectly straight and you need to reapply the tile. You can take it down. I'm just gonna demonstrate here. You can take the tile, you can flip it if you need to switch it or whatever, and you can reapply it. Of course, sometimes you may need to add a bit more of adhesive, but it's still fairly easy to work with. Again, you can take it off. You have at least half an hour, which gives you plenty of time to, leaves you some room for mistakes. All in all, it's a very good adhesive to work with. We highly recommend it. And as always, if you have any questions, just leave your comments, call us, email us, We'll be happy to answer all the questions. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.